Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi 9A. So there are three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. So press these both buttons simultaneously and hold it. Then you will have a screenshot as you can see here at the preview. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button together for 1 second and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you're able now also to edit the picture by just cropping a part here if you want. Or you can also write something inside and so on and so on. And yeah, if you're ready with, just go and save, and the cropped and edited part is part of your gallery. So there's a second way to take a screenshot by just scrolling down here to the shortcuts. And again, you have the full shortcuts here, and there's an icon for a screenshot. So with the scissor, tap it, and you will have a screenshot as well. Okay, and there's a third way to take a screenshot by just using three fingers. So swipe them across the screen, and you will have a screenshot. One more time, use three fingers, swipe them across the screen like this, and you will have a screenshot. So this requires a bit of training, but if you have find it out how it works, then it is a very nice method to have a screenshot. Okay, where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery, but you cannot see the screenshots here at the photos, so you have to go here to the category albums, and here the screenshots have their own folder named screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And you've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe next time. Ciao.